In today's video, I will walk you through how to make dripping effect in Canva. Start by creating a new Canva project. Once your project is open, go to Uploads and upload the image you want to use. After the image is uploaded, drag it onto your design. Next, remove the background from the image. After that, adjust the size of the image and place it in the middle of the page. Once the image is positioned correctly, download it. Now add a new page to your project and drag the downloaded image onto the second page. Resize the image so it fits the page exactly. Then go back to the first page and make sure the original image stays in the same position. After that, go to Elements and type Drip in the search bar. Open the graphics section and choose a dripping graphic. Change the color of the graphic to black, resize the dripping graphic, and position it so it sits inside the image area. Once that looks good, click on the image and go to Edit Photo. Open Duotone, select Custom, and change the color to black. Now crop the image slightly from the bottom. When you finish cropping, download this image as a PNG file. Make sure to download only the first page. Next, go back to the second page and drag the new PNG image onto the design. Adjust the size again so it fits the page exactly. At this point, you should have two images layered in your project. Now go to Apps and search for Blend Image. Open the app and choose the image with the dripping effect as the top layer. Then choose the other image as the bottom layer. After selecting both images, click Blend Mode and scroll down until you find Screen. Select it, then click Add to Design. You will now see the final dripping effect applied to your image.